In this video, I will show you how to connect your Spotify account to Discord in detail. Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on how to connect Spotify to Discord. In this video, I will show you everything you need to know to get started. We will cover the following topics: how to connect Spotify to Discord on a desktop, how to connect Spotify to Discord on mobile. In the description of the video, you can find the chapters of this video and get to where you want. Let's get started. How to connect Spotify to Discord on a desktop. Open the Discord app. Click on the gear icon next to your username to open User Settings. Go to the Connections tab. Click on the Spotify icon. Log into your Spotify account. Click on Authorize if that appears. Your Spotify account will be connected to Discord. Now let's see how you can do the same if you are on a mobile device. How to connect Spotify to Discord on mobile. Open the Discord app. Tap on your profile picture to open User Settings. Tap on Connections. Tap on Add from the top. Tap on the Spotify icon. Go to the bottom of the page and tap on Agree. Your Spotify account will be connected to Discord. You can go back to the Discord app. That's it! I hope this video helped you connect your Spotify account to Discord. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.